Hello and a very warm welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies trade flat amid uncertain economic rate outlook. Meta extends NFT sharing for all Instagram, Facebook users in US. Blackrock launches ETF in Europe with exposure to blockchain crypto companies. Rare CryptoPunk sold by DJ Seedphrase for a $4.4 million crypto whale. Binance starts Ethereum proof-of-work mining pool initially with no fee. EU aims to target money laundering via Metaverse, DeFi, NFTs. JetSynthesys to invest $50 million to build Metaverse practice. Cryptocurrencies traded flat in Friday morning trades amid surging volatility across asset class as investors remained uncertain over the Federal Reserve's rate stance amid hopes of a pause in tightening monetary policy following Bank of England's move. US stocks fell Thursday, sending the S&P 500 to a new low for the year as the worst bond rout in over a decade upended markets and investors wrestled afresh with worries about a global slowdown. The S&P 500 dropped 2.1% while the Dow Industrials slid 1.5%, giving up much of the previous day's gains. The tech-heavy Nasdaq tumbled 2.8%. A stronger-than-expected jobless claims report Thursday added to investors' concern on the notion that the Federal Reserve will keep aggressively hiking rates to fight inflation even at the cost of economic pain. Late last week, the UK government unveiled plans for unfunded tax cuts, spooking markets, followed by Bank of England's announcement of bond buying back program. Bitcoin was recently seen trading at around $19,480, little changes in the past 24 hours. ETH, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,335, down 0.9% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins traded mixed, though mostly higher. Cryptocurrency market cap was little changed at $945 billion. Meta, which owns Instagram and Facebook, has allowed US users of both its applications to connect their wallets and share their non-fungible tokens. All users in the US also have the ability to cross-post the NFTs that they own across both Facebook and Instagram. The official rollout comes a few months after Meta first began testing NFTs with select users on Instagram in May and on Facebook in June. The company also allowed NFT support for Instagram users in 100 countries, for which it had initiated a pilot project in August. Blackrock is launching an ETF with exposure to blockchain and crypto companies for its European customers. The iShares blockchain technology UCITS ETF is designed to track the New York Stock Exchange FactSet Global Blockchain Technologies Capped Index. The index includes 35 companies from around the world and is listed on the Euronext under the ticker BLKC. The index has 75% exposure to companies with primary business related to blockchain, including crypto miners and exchanges. It has a further 25% exposure to companies supporting the blockchain ecosystem, whether that be payments or semiconductor companies. DJ Seedphrase, a well-known figure in the non-fungible token community and an early Bitcoin investor, sold his valuable CryptoPunk 2924 to a Texas buyer for 3,300 Ether or roughly $4.45 million. The punk, one of just 24 Apes punks, was last sold in November 2020 to DJ Seedphrase, Danny Megard's alias, for 150 ETH. 20 other punks, including his signature CryptoPunk 8348 with a top hat, thick beard, sunglasses and a cigarette, are among Megard's current collection. The buyer had used a wallet that had been dormant for over 5 years to purchase the punk, leading some to question the transaction's legitimacy. Customers can now join a mining pool for ETHW, the forked version of Ethereum that keeps the blockchain's original proof-of-work foundations, according to cryptocurrency exchange Binance. Participants in the ETHW pool will not be charged a fee during a promotional period that ends on October 29. Support from Binance's huge cryptocurrency trading customer base could help keep the forked version alive. The European Parliament is planning to target large crypto transactions as well as the Metaverse, decentralized finance, and non-fungible tokens as part of its effort to curb money laundering, reports said, citing a draft bill crafted by lawmakers. The European Parliament is currently deliberating on an overhaul of European Union money laundering laws proposed by the European Commission in 2021. The draft, which is an attempt to accommodate views of lawmakers across parties, incorporates a July idea from left-wing politicians to include decentralized finance and related organizations such as DAOs within the law's scope. Digital entertainment and gaming firm JetSynthesys said it would be investing $50 million to boost its metaverse capabilities over the next few years. Rajan Navani, managing director JetSynthesys, said this would be a separate category for the company, which would then build out multiple experiences for consumers. As the first step towards this, the Adar Poonawalla and Chris Gopalakrishnan-backed companies announced the acquisition of MetaFi Labs, an end-to-end solution provider in the Web 3.0 space. The terms of the deal were not disclosed, and the founders will continue to hold a minority stake and be a part of the company. That's all in the news today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV.